There are several types of embroidery knots. Colonial knots can be used as an alternative to French knots. Tying a knot in your thread helps to control the tension. Bring your needle up from the back of the fabric and create a capital D-shaped loop. Hold the loop down with your needle, then take the needle under the looped thread. Take your working thread and loop it over the needle again so that the thread makes a figure 8. Keep the loops near the needle tip. Take the needle back down close to where you came up, but not in the same spot. Keep your working thread taut as you gently pull it through to create the knot. I'll slow this next example down a little, as this stitch can be fiddly. Bring your thread up and create a D-shaped loop. Hold the loop down with your needle and hook it under the loop. Take your working thread and wrap it over the needle again so that the thread makes a figure 8. Nudge the loops to the tip of the needle. Take the needle back through the fabric again, close to where you came up. Keep tension on your working thread while the knot forms. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Here's a link to my stitch library if you haven't seen it yet. If you have any questions, do leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Bye for now.